So here I am already in canva.com and I have created a blank design. You can add text here to your design. Not only you can add text, you can add lots of effects. So I will call my text to, let's say, some text. Let's make it all capitalized, and let me change the font to one of the ones which I like. Let's see, this leak Spartan. I'll make it bigger. So here is our starting point, or we will add different effects on it. So for adding effects, we will select the text and we'll go to the effects from the top bar here. First effect is shadow, and let me go to normal, then let me make it lighter so you can see the effect better. So here when you selected the shadow is very light, and also it is of the same color which is of the text. You can control these things from here. If you will increase the transparency, it will go full to the maximum extent. You can change its color to the darker one. Let's do it. And then you can increase the transparency, and then there is an offset slider which will show how much of a shadow you want to see. Then there is a direction, in which direction, so it basically goes in all 360 directions. So I would like something like this. And then there is a blur effect. You can use this to lift overall text. You can increase the offset and then increase the blur. So this will add a great lift effect. So by decreasing, you will just show the shadow. These are the some controls which you can use with the shadow effect. Next is lift. Lift is same thing which we had done using the shadow, but it is separately available as well. So you can increase the intensity, and let's say if I make the text white of the same color as background, so with the lift it is showing the outline of the text. And let me change it back to the whatever it was already. In lift as well, we can just increase and decrease its intensity, and there are no other controls here. Then there is a hollow. Let's say you can use with a darker color, and with the hollow effect you have thickness control. So whenever you have left this menu, you can select the text and click on effects. You will come back to the effects screen, and the selected effect and its controls will be visible on in the sidebar, and you can customize them. With this hollow, this is looking better. Then there's this next splice effect, which makes an outline, and then there is a shadow as well. So for shadow, you can control it with the offset, so it makes a good look. Then you can, again, like normal shadow, you can control its direction as well. And then the color of shadow can also be changed. So also the thickness of the outline of the text. So this is basically the hollow and the shadow both are combined together. Then there is this next outline effect. Again, we can change its color, and we can change the thickness of the outline. Let's say if we change the font to yellow, and then click effect and then make it red, this will make more sense. So this we can increase or decrease according to the taste requirement. Then there is this echo effect. This one is visible with the darker color, and then we can also change the color of effect if we make it same as the font color, it will just go layer by layer. It will go lighter, and we can use something else as well. This is also up to you. It also have a direction control and then offset control. So this will control the shadows are how much away from the real text, and direction 360. You can choose any direction. Then there is a glitch effect. It have two options: this teal and pink, and teal and red. So you can select one of these. Maybe if I make the text to some color else, you will be able to see it more correctly. And now if I select this one, this is teal and pinkish, shocking pink, and this is teal and red. And then there is this neon effect. If I select, let's say, neon effects like color red, so this is more visible. Again, you can play with this one as well. If you increase the intensity, the text itself will go hollow, and there will be this radiating effect. And if you decrease it, then overall it will give a different effect. I think this is better either here or here. So you can do this as well. Then there is a background effect. You can change its color as well. Let's do it something like this. And again, with this one, you can control different things. You can increase or decrease the transparency of the background, spread of the background. You can play with the roundness of the corners. And if you decrease the spread, and let's say if there is a text in two lines here, so this is how it will look. Maybe we can align it left. Again, if we increase the spread or decrease the spread, it will have different effects. Then we can control it from here as well with line spacing and letter spacing. So this will slightly change how it looks. With all the effects, you can use one more thing, which is shape of text. If you, let's say, can increase the size, and then with shape, you have one slider, which is the curve. Either you can have it down here or in the minus. You can have it like this as well. This works with all the other effects. So you can use this shape effect as well. Then there are presets as well, which you can use if you just delete this text and use in the same text menu. You can keep going down and you can use one of these presets already provided. Let's say I'm liking this one, then you can ungroup these ones and then delete one of these if you need to use only one. This my text, increase or decrease the size as well. Let's say if I make it 100, and then play with this one as well, add further effects to this one, so that can also be done. So these all presets are also available. There are some which have this crown. These are the paid ones, are only ones available to who have Canva subscription, but all the other ones are available to everybody. And these effects, these are all free effects. Anybody without a subscription, just make an account on Canva and start using all of these effects. So this was today's tutorial. Hope you would have learned something and you can use all these effects in your designs. I have more videos about Canva. I have organized them in a playlist. I will add the link to that playlist in the description. You can check those out, and I will keep bringing more content like this. So do subscribe. And if you like the video, hit thumbs up. See you in the next one.